How to change fonts in GIMP. Let's create a new canvas. Click here on File, click on New, click OK. And now I need to add some text. So I will click here on this A and I will write, for example, GIMP. Okay. And I will increase the size of these letters. Let's say, for example, 200. Okay. And actually I will make it 350. So now I wish to change font of this text. So what I need to do? I need to click here and I need to start typing the name of the font style. But here you can see it already suggested font styles that are starting with I. But when I click on it, nothing changed. So what you need to do? You need to type exact name of that font style, including capital and lower letters. So what I need to do? Capital I, impact. And then space, and then with the capital R, I need to write regular. And here you can see font now changed. Like I said, you need to type exact name of the font style, including capital and lower letters. So this is how you change fonts style in GIMP 3.0.